glitching pretty bad.
Hi, Brody.
Who's jealous? I wonder if they're just becoming so familiar with people that they're not.
They are with us anyway, that's for sure.
'Cause I mean, even though Mom and Caleb are out there, they're. Oh, there they go.
So they were fighting each other.
What is your problem? Get up here.
Buffy, get away from there.
What's over there now?
We had a bunch of ant problems. Even getting up in that feed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's several still getting in the juice.
Yeah.
They're trying to kill them, keep the ants out of there so the birds.
Did Mom try the Vaseline thing again?
Yeah, but the Vaseline gets put in the sun, just melts off. It hardens up and they just climb right through it.
It is nuts how close they get to you. It's like they're interested.
She's been 2 inches up my face. You know what she do? Just look at me. You sit there and keep drinking. See if I can get her to do it.
Yeah, I want to film it. I'm gonna stand over here though.
It takes a little while. She finally realizes I'm okay. And then
Like that? She's right there.
she's doing that. And she'll eventually realize I'm not going to hurt her.
Oh my god.
That's going to be real still.
That's so crazy. That is just insane. Yeah. I have been for a while. She's on the other side, right?
It's the airplane. Over there, Caleb. See it up there?
You see the baby, Caleb? The baby bird? I think I'm scaring her.
Bye, airplane.
Here she comes, Dad. She's like, what the heck?
Got right next to me. They buzzed my head and my face. And
Whoa.
Dad's here today,
It was really crazy when she only had 5 of them.
Sometimes I wonder if they're like curious. Oh my god. She's right behind you.
Go get it. No, you hit bugs with that, not Mama.
Caleb, you want a timeout? I wonder if you rub some on the middle of your hand.
Probably.
That's crazy.
We just kind of gotten used
Hey.
to it.
Caleb, say hi.
Look at Papa. Look at the bird with Papa. Watch Papa's hand. Watch the bird. Look how close Papa's getting to the bird.
She thinks about it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Where's the fly swatter?
Fly away.
Shouldn't I?
I'm tired.
That was crazy.